To show sticker suggestion above the keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open an app or screen where you can type with your keyboard. As the example, while you are texting someone on WhatsApp, tap the text wheel to show up the keyboard. Tap the setting icon at the top of the keyboard. Next, tap Suggest stickers while typing. Tap Sticker Suggestion method. And then select Show above keyboard. Next, tap the back key 3 times to go back to the screen where you can type with your keyboard. Tap the text wheel to show up the keyboard. Now, type something. As you are typing, you can see that your phone will show suggested stickers based on the words you are typing above the keyboard. Tap the desired sticker to remove the word you type with it. And then tap Send button to send the sticker. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.